everyone, welcome back to Guide Central, and in this video I'll show you how to transfer money with Tymebank. So to get started, go ahead and open Tymebank on your device. So you can open their app or their website on your browser, sign into your account and click on the Send Money under the Transact section at the right side of your screen to be able to send money. So click on that button, you'll find it above the Pay Someone button. Scroll up into this section and you'll be able to find this required information, and here you'll need to enter the cell phone number of that specific user to whom you want to send money to, the amount of money that you want to send to that user. You need to enter the recipient name and provide a reference number if you want to provide a reference number for this transaction. So click on the continue button to continue with the next step, and here review the details that you have entered and click on the confirm and pay button once you have actually viewed these details. So the transaction process would vary depending on the accounts that you send the money to. That is how you can basically transfer money with Tymebank. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.